Are you guys ready for the main event? Are you ready?
From the minds of Richard Fabian and Peter Hecht comes another chapter in the Magnus Chopped for Chop. A fundraiser for the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, set in a courtroom where anything can happen. Four of America's finest trial attorneys face off in a mock trial battle, starring Susan Metcalf, Ken Merber, Scott Breitenweiser, and Richard Finn, featuring Justice Medina as the judge, Jacqueline Fabian as the plaintiff, and Park Borchard as the defendant. They thought they had it all figured out, but there can only be one attorney left standing. Magnus Chopped for Chop.